Now consider such type of a pentagonal pyramid of which one of the edge is resting on vertical plane, and in inclination this rectangular face should be perpendicular to VP, which is shown as like this one. So this is our final condition. So in front view, in these two situations, the pentagonal pyramid will appear as like this one, whereas top view, this will appear as like this one. In front view, for this final condition front view, let us observe that which edges are visible. Now in this case, no edge is hidden. All triangular face edge and base edges are visible. So we have to draw its projections. Now we have to solve a problem on a pentagonal pyramid of which the base side is a 30 millimeter and axis height is a 60 millimeter, which is resting on one of its base edge on VP, and the triangular face passing through that base edge is a perpendicular to VP, and its axis is a parallel to HP. Now initially we have to assume that axis is a perpendicular to VP. So draw its projections. So draw this pentagon. Draw this one of the edge which is resting on VP. So set an angle of 108 degree. So as we are considering this edge, so we have to measure the angle in this direction. So 100, 105, 6, 7 and 8, this is a point. So draw a line of 30 millimeter, then set an angle by taking this reference point. So measure this angle in this direction, 105, 6, 7 and so measure this angle and show the line of 30 millimeter. Then take this distance in compass, that is 30 millimeter. Let's complete the pentagon in this way. So to draw the extension line, set an angle of 90 degree and then set another extension line and show this dimension of this is a 30 millimeter length. Show it here. Now label the corners A, B, C, D and E. Now to draw the slant edges, so this is a V. Now to draw the top view, draw its projections. Now through this vertex V, locate the height of or axis length. So this is a V. These are A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. Here will be the base corner B and E. This will be the C and D. Join these points. Show its height. Now we have to make this a rectangular face, that is a CTV, perpendicular to the VP or perpendicular to the x-axis. So draw this perpendicular line. Look, mark this point here, C D. Then take the distance CDV in compass. Take this distance in compass. Take this as a center distance. Now here and mark the vertex V. Now mark the remaining points. So this distance in compass, set an arc. Now take this distance in compass, Then take the distance compass. As the A is here, mark the point here, and thus will get this point. This is a B, E, and simply join these points. Show the axis here. Now when we are looking in this direction for front view, all these 5 faces are triangular faces are visible. So to draw it, now first locate the point E. Consider this triangular face, that is a AVB. So A is here. Now locate the point B. B will be here. Now vertex V will lie along this line. So this is the vertex V. So consider this triangular face which is visible. Then consider this triangular face, that is a AVE. B and V here are the same. Now to locate it, the E will be here. Then to locate this surface, that is a BCV. So B is already here, B is also available here. Now we have to mark the C. For C, draw these projections, and C will be here. So join it by. Now for this triangular face, that is a EDV, D is here, and through this draw the horizontal projections. The D point will be here. And thus final front view is completed.